Perl tutorial part 53, CGI.pm, meta tags, body attributes, images, links and formatting. Here we have our script from the previous tutorial, so let's continue to work with the script and develop it further. Now first of all, let's put in some meta tags. Now let's first of all put in some keywords. And we can put in our keywords like so. Now let's run this in command prompt. And here we have meta, name equals keywords, content equals keyword 1, keyword 2. Now let's add a description. So simply what we can do here is just type a comma then we can have our description in here. So let's run this and have a look. Meta name keywords, meta name description, content equals my description. Okay, so now pop a comma at the end of this and let's give our page a background color. So all our body attributes go in between these two brackets, as well as our head attributes. So BG color, let's try yellow. And let's run this in the browser this time. So here we have our page so far. Now let's add in, say, a visited link attribute. So vlink equals, let's say, orange. Okay, so that's some body and some head attributes. Now let's put our header 1 tag that we created in the last tutorial into the center. So and now just pop another closing bracket here. And let's run this. So now we have our header into the center of the page. Now let's run this in command prompt and have a look at the source code. Now what I would like to point out is we have our center tags around our header 1 here, and then we have a line of text, and that isn't on a new line. So let's put in a new line character. So at the end of our centered header, let's just type in our end character like so. And now if we run this in command prompt, our line of text has been moved down to a new line for proper formatting. Okay, so now after our line of text, I would like to put in a line break. So simply we put in our BR like that, the comma at the end, and I want to put a new line character in, like so. And now we're going to add an image. I'm going to also just copy this and misalign before we move on to our image. Now I've got an image of a fish. So we type in like so, and now we put our attributes. So first of all, our src, so src equals fish.jpg, and then I think we will put in an alt, so comma alt a fish, and I want to put in a line break and a new line character after our image, so I'll just copy and paste that in like so. Save this and let's run this in the browser. And here we have our image and our alt tag, a fish. Okay, and a line break in there. Now let's create a link. Now we use the A, and we pop our attributes in. So first of all, href, scriptsocket.com, and now let's say put in a target equals blank, so it opens in a new web browser, so comma target equals underscore blank. And now for our text of our link, after the last curly bracket we put a pair of quotes in and type in the text that we would like to be the link, like so. Now let's run this in our browser, and here's our link. Opening up in a new browser. Here's our orange visited link. Okay, so in the following tutorial we'll continue on working with CGI.pm.